Hey guys, it's me Danielle back with another lock video, and this time we're gonna talk about things I would tell you if you wanted to lock your hair. So I'm definitely coming to you with dirty hair. I am like 3-ish weeks past my last wash and retwist, so I should be washing my hair right now, but instead I'm filming this video. So let's get into it. So if someone wants to come to me and be like, hey Danielle, I want to start locks, there are 5 things that I would tell them. Number 1, I would say throw away all your expectations. Like, I know we see a lot of like images and pictures and videos, like all these like beautiful people out there with these long locks and they're like amazing, and you're like, oh my gosh, I cannot wait for my hair to look like that. Honestly, there is no guarantee that your hair will look like that, so it's good to not set yourself up thinking it's going to look a certain way, and when it doesn't, then you're disappointed and you decide you don't want to do this journey. Like, one thing that I've learned is that my hair is my hair and it's not like anyone else's. Like, there's so many different things that contribute to how like your locks turn out, like your hair texture, like how much you manipulate your hair, like how you started your locks. So like there are all these different factors that are going to impact how your locks turn out in the long run. So do not look at anyone else to compare. Like, throw away those expectations, and I promise you, you will love how your hair turns out as long as like you care for them properly. Like, that's really much it. And honestly, you're gonna love them, so don't even sweat how someone else's locks look, because I mean, they're not you. So number 2, I would tell you to set it and forget it. Like, I remember when I was a loose natural, like I would have that like hands and hair syndrome. Like, I was washing my hair every 2 weeks. I was twisting it up every night. Actually, that's a lie, because I'm kind of lazy, so I would try my best to twist every night, but I really didn't. But like, you're used to all these like regimen based routines when you have like your loose natural hair. Like, I gotta decondition, I gotta twist my hair every single night, I gotta put in protective styles. Like, you're just used to like always having to do something with your hair. But I'm here to tell you that when you lock your hair, literally when you start, just leave it alone. Like, just make sure you keep it clean. You don't have to wash that much. Like, 3 weeks is good. Like, as long as like wash and retwist like every 3 weeks, like that's fine. Like, keep it clean that way, and keep it moisturized. And that's literally just it. Like, don't even worry about it. Just forget it. Like, I promise you, like, time moves so fast and you won't even realize when you look up, like, oh snap, like my hair grew, and you don't have to do nothing to it because your hair will grow regardless. Just don't even trip. Like, don't like be so concerned with how fast it grows, or like how long it's gonna grow, or like, oh, it's not growing, it will grow. I promise you. Like, it will grow. So literally just set it and forget it. That's, I feel like that's pretty much all you need to know, like, I'm this video right now, but I have more stuff to say. So the 3rd tip, head wraps will be your best friend. Like, especially when you're starting out, like your hair is really short, you're not as confident about wearing out, get a head wrap. Get a head wrap. Like, honestly, if you guys want to see a head wrap tutorial, comment below, because I would love to do one, because I'm low-key like the head wrap guru, just saying. So I would love to do a video showing you all the different styles that I wear with my head wraps. For guys, hats, I'm sure, unless y'all can rock a head wrap. I've seen it done. I've seen it done. So head wraps will be your best friend. Invest, because they will totally help you develop a new style. Because I remember like a couple years ago when I like cut my hair into like this tapered cut, and I cut it really short, and I was like, oh my gosh, what did I do? And I developed a new style around like all these head wraps I was wearing. So like, it could be something fun that you introduce into your wardrobe, and super funky, and everyone loves a good head wrap. And honestly, when you walk into your classroom or into your workplace with this fire head wrap and looking like a Nubian goddess or king, you can feel like the baddest female or male in the workplace, and I feel like it's great to be a confident. So get a head wrap. Tip number 4, do not underestimate the power of your scarf. I repeat, do not underestimate the power of this thing right here. Like, when you go to bed, this needs to be on your head. When you lay in your bed to take a nap, this needs to be on your head. When you're literally just in your bed watching Netflix, this needs to be on your head. Like we cannot overstress the importance of protecting your hair, especially when you're still starting out. Like, I remember this was around like month 5. I was not tripping about whether or not I have a scarf on my head, and my hair got really dry and brittle, and I got all this lint and stuff in my hair. So I'm telling y'all, like, not only does it protect your strands and keep them together and keep your hair from not getting too frizzy, it also prevents all that like nasty lint and stuff getting trapped in your dreads, because we all know that's not coming out once it gets in. So word to the wise, wear this always. And last but not least, number 5, time will move so fast, so just trust the process. Like I mentioned in, I believe, like the second tip, don't even worry about where your hair is going to grow or what it's going to look like, because time moves fast. So you're not even going to realize how your hair is growing until you like see it. Like that's really all you can do. But like, enjoy this journey along the way. Like, I remember month 3, I was like, ugh, like I hate my hair. Like, it was still like the twists, and I was like, I hate this. Like, my hair's flat, it's so short. And now looking, it's like, whoa, like my hair grew. Like, I get compliments now. I wear it out all the time, and I'm just like, wow. Like, looking back then, like, I swore my hair was not gonna grow, and look at it now. So I can only imagine how it's gonna be like a year from now. So you just have to like not worry about your growth or like how it's gonna look, and just trust the process. Like, enjoy learning your hair, enjoy learning what products work for your hair, enjoy your like short hair. Like, just enjoy the time you have now. Like, also one thing you should do, like my mom keeps telling me to take pictures, and I was like, nah, like we're good, I don't need pictures, like I'll just live my life. But I'm telling you, document everything, because you're gonna want to look back to see how it was when you started, or there may be times like further along in your lock journey where you're gonna be like, I think I want to cut my hair off, or I want to start over. And having those pictures to look back can like help like re-encourage you, like, yo, like look where you started and now look where you are now. Like, you need to document this process, because honestly, if we're being real, your lock is now your child. Okay, like your lock is your child, and you want to see how your baby grew up from this little coil or 2-strand twist to these beautiful, long, healthy locks. So document, and again, don't worry about time, just trust the process. So I really hope you enjoyed this video, and I just wanted to do this quick video because I know like sometimes when you're thinking about starting locks, you can be like a little concerned, like a little worried. So I hope that I kind of like told you or a little bit to help you in making your decision. Or if you are newly beginning, we've all been there, we've all cried, we've all been super stressed out, we all thought we were ugly, but girl, it is not the end, or boy, because I've seen some really fine lock guys out there, honestly. It is not the end of the world. Your locks will grow, you will look amazing, and you will really love yourself. I'm just being real with you. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And also, I have a little shop on Redbubble where I sell like prints, bags, stickers, all that joints. So it'll be cool if you check that out. I'll put the link in the description box below. But I hope you enjoy your week and enjoy your lock journey. Yeah. Also, question for those more mature lock people out there. How do you stretch your washes past a month? Because like, I've been trying to like retwist and wash every 3 weeks, but my life gets hectic with school and stuff, so I kind of don't do that, but my hair gets really dirty. So I'm like, are there tips and tricks out there to help keep my scalp clean without me washing? So inquiring minds want to know. So if you have the answer, please put that in the comment section. Thank you.